In this video, we're going to show you how to show your internet speed on your Windows taskbar on Windows 10 or 11. All right, so you're going to see videos going to this site, this GitHub site, and it's going to be called Pyongyang 219 Traffic Monitor, and you're going to see it's in Chinese. So what you want to do first is right-click and then translate to English. Right, so you can understand what's happening. Traffic Monitor is a network speed monitoring floating window software for Windows platform. So it's basically not a Windows program. It's something that somebody made. So you're gonna see everything, features, instructions for use. So you're gonna see everything here, how to use it. But again, it's all in Chinese. So the problem with this is people have made videos about this and it seems to work. But if you go to comments, a lot of people say it doesn't work. And I'm not going to tell you to download this and, put it there, put so that you can see the internet speed on a taskbar. You can't. So far, we don't know any other apps that's created that's, appointed or accepted by Windows as an app that shows you your internet speed. It's just so this is a bit suspicious. So you can go here to this GitHub site. It's gonna be here up top. So you can go on your own discretion. And the thing about this is I don't trust this one bit. And there is a way to see your internet speed. Because here's the thing, you don't like what sane person would want to consistently see his or her internet speed on his taskbar. You're not even looking at the taskbar 95% of the time, right? So here's the thing: Control-Alt-Delete, and then open your task manager, and then on the left-hand side, you're going to see all the apps, all the processes. So the processes is the default opening window. On the bottom is going to be the performance, and you're going to see CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, and GPU. So Ethernet can be Wi-Fi or something. As you can see here, this is the static Ethernet speed that we have. So if you click on this, you're going to see here, right? So that's one way to monitor. But the best way, again, is just go to speed test, right? Speedtest.net, and just click go. So it's that simple. You don't need to go to a GitHub site and download a suspicious file that some people have tested and some people quote unquote worked for them, and a lot of people say it didn't work. So again, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.